Random facts. In 2023, this emoji became the most used emoji in the world, taking out the laughing emoji which held first place for many years. The world record for the loudest thing ever shouted belongs to an Irish teacher who shouted the word quiet at 121 decibels, which is the equivalent of a jet engine. Commenting the word scream unlocks a secret TikTok emoji. The sentence, "The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog," uses every letter in the English alphabet. If you lived 65 million light years away and had a massive telescope, you would be able to see dinosaurs roaming the earth. You can see who has you blocked on TikTok by clicking share. Slide to the very end and click more, then click blocked. And if nothing pops up, that means nobody has blocked you yet. Cockroaches wash themselves after being touched by a human. The Eiffel Tower gets taller during the summer and shrinks during the winter. If you like and follow me, you can get smarter each day.
You know, the day after Albert Einstein died, his brain was actually stolen. The doctor who took it cut it into around 100 pieces just to find out why Einstein was so smart. For almost 50 years, he kept those pieces with him and even sent some of them to scientists in other countries. And even today, parts of Einstein's brain are still missing. If you ever feel like jumping off a moving truck, a lot of people make the mistake of jumping forward. But doing that actually makes your speed even faster than the truck itself, meaning you're almost guaranteed to break 4 or 5 bones. Instead, you should jump in the opposite direction of the truck's movement. That way, your speed relative to the ground will be lower, and you might actually land safely. If you ever crash into an electric pole and it falls on your car, the moment you try to step out, you'll get an electric shock. That's because touching both the car and the ground at the same time makes the current flow through you. The only way to escape is to jump out of the car without touching it again. But if you accidentally take even one step forward, you'll still get shocked. To avoid this, you need to keep your feet together and slowly shuffle forward. If you're interested in this type of videos, then definitely stay connected with Universe Unlocked and follow this account.
Did you know a woman can still give birth even after they die? Random curiosities about life that will shock you. Are you smart enough to know the last one? Airplane food isn't very nice because our sense of smell and taste decrease by 20 to 50% during flights. TikTok knows who your fake friend is. This is the third person that appears when you click share on this video, then WhatsApp. 54 million people that are alive right now will be dead within 12 months. How would humans live with dinosaurs if they still existed? TikTok will give you a secret emoji if you type the word evil in the comments. A mouse can fit through a hole the size of your pen. The average 4-year-old child asks 400 questions in a day. Comment the phrase "I have never" and let your keyboard finish the sentence. More people in the world currently suffer from obesity than hunger. Nutella was created during World War II. Before revealing the last one, follow me to lock in good luck for the rest of your week. It is more likely that you become president than to win the lottery.
If you paint a live turtle shell, the chemicals will soak through the hard surface and into its bloodstream, since the shell is actually a part of its body. And this can poison the turtle, eventually killing it. But even if it survives, the paint blocks sunlight from being absorbed through the shell, making the turtle weak. Now, some people use shrink wrap stickers instead of paint, but this holds the shell tightly together, meaning it can't grow normally. Instead, new cells will form at the edge of the shell, and as it grows, the covered parts stay in place, and the shell around it becomes seriously deformed, which is why you should just never decorate your turtle. He shot the arrow through the slits on the castle wall. You see, from the outside, these slits, known as loopholes, looked like thin cracks. But on the inside, they opened wide, allowing the shooter to aim in different directions. And the design let him cover a wide area, while still being almost impossible to hit from the outside. Now, centuries later, that same word for these slits was reused, and loophole came to mean a narrow way to slip through rules.